Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another scent talk. And today we are going to review this new scents from Bath & Body Works. So I got these decants from Aromas de Sonia. They reached out to me and sinabi nila na meron sila ng mga bagong scents. So yun, dinadala nila tong mga to. So basically, these three, natanggaling takip. These three are the Halloween collection. We have the Everlasting Magic, the Vampire Blood, and the Midnight Spell. Pero mas excited ako i-review itong dalawa, which are, actually, hindi ko alam kung ano yung collection na to. So these are Fresh Vanilla Blossom and Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. Excited ako sa kanila first because of the packaging. Kasi kung nakita nyo na yung mga packaging na to, very aesthetic yung itsura ng packaging nila. Like, sobrang cute. Very minimalist lang. Parang cream or white. And then may parang swirl or marbly design na purple and then pink. So, sobrang ganda nila, guys. So, hindi ko sila binili in full size because gusto ko malaman muna yung amoy nila. Pero nung naamoy ko na sila, guys, heads up, gusto ko na sila bilhin kasi aside from the packaging, mabango din sila. So anyway, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung naamoy ko sa kanilang dalawa. So let us first talk about this Fresh Vanilla Napaghahalo ko yung pangalan nila kasi nakakalito. So, Fresh Vanilla Blossoms. So, sabi daw dito, it smells like a comforting, cozy classic. Fragrance notes are sweetened petals, soft sandalwood, and vanilla bean. So, this Fresh Vanilla Blossom, first, lagay ko yung packaging dito, guys. Let us appreciate the packaging. Sobrang aesthetic niya. It's screaming me. Anyway, si Fresh Vanilla Blossom daw, actually, nung una ko siyang nahawakan, o nung una ko nakita siya, and I expect ko na this will be gourmand fragrance, like somewhat similar to Vanilla Sparkle of Victoria's Secret, mga ganong vibe yung naiisip ko. But then, when I smelled this, kasi sabi daw dito, it has sweetened petals, soft sandalwood, and vanilla bean. So, nung naamoy ko siya, guys, na una, sabi ko, baka mali yung nalagay, or parang hindi kasi ganun yung name niya. Pero, nanood ako ng ilang reviews and hindi ako nag-iisa, guys. Hindi siya yung type of vanilla or fresh vanilla na ina-expect nating lahat. If hindi nyo pa ito naaamoy and first time nyo siya amoyin, magigets nyo ko. This one is a fresh, clean, cottony type of scent. O diba, guys? Fresh Vanilla Blossom yung name niya. So we are expecting this to be a straight up gourmand or slight florally scent. But no, this is a fresh, cotton, linen type of scent. Ganitong amoy, guys, yung ina-expect ko kay white t-shirt, kay fresh cotton na scent, kay cotton blossom. Ganon yung amoy niya. Smells like a clean laundry sheet, like yung bagong laundry na sheet. Smells like white bed sheet. Ganon talaga yung maamoy mo sa kanya. Yung sweetened petals, hindi ko ganon nakukuha si floral aspect niya. Maybe baka sa dry down, but initially, it's a clean, feminine scent. Ganon. Kasi diba sometimes, when we talk about clean scent, naisip natin na slightly masculine, ganyan, masky. But no, it's a clean, feminine scent. So, if you are into parang clean girl aesthetic, like you just want to smell clean, very classic, ito yung scent na may sasuggest ko sa inyo. Pwede mo siya gamitin if you are going out for malls o kaya makikipag-date ka. Like, it's a safe scent kasi. Sino ba naman ang ayaw na mag-amoy fresh and clean and feminine? So, kung ganong vibe yung hinahanap nyo, this Fresh Vanilla Blossom is nice. Hindi siya yung ina-expect ko, but hindi ako na-disappoint kasi still mabango siya. Naghanap ako ng mga review sa YouTube at saka sa TikTok na panood ko sa kanila or nakuha ko sa kanila na yun daw amoy nito is slightly waxy. Hindi ko naman siya naaamoy, wala akong ganung naaamoy. But then, nung narinig ko yun, parang oo, na-gets ko, may something artificial doon sa scent na to. Para siyang pinagsama niya fresh cotton scent. Alam mo yung, hindi ko maalala yung exact name niya, fresh coconut and cotton yata yun. May ganun siyang vibe. And also, meron siyang hint ni pastel skies. Very feminine yung scent niya. Pero yun nga, nung sinabi nila na may waxy, note, parang bigla ko na-gets na meron nga, but still, I like this. I feel like I want this in full size kapag nagka-extra na ako. So, si Fresh Vanilla Blossom, hindi siya yung vanilla na ina-expect natin, but still, a nice scent. It's a 9/10 for me. I'm just about to try yung kanyang longevity, kaya hindi ko masabi na 10/10 kasi yung scent niya is very feminine and light. So, I feel like hindi siya ganun magtatagal, pero kung, ayun, siguro i-spray ko na lang. Anyway, let us move to another scent, which is Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. So, sabi daw dito, it's warm, it's soothing, and inviting. So, this one has notes of warm bourbon, dark fruit, and vanilla liqueur. So, we are expecting that this will smell like parang a type of drink kasi meron daw itong vanilla liqueur. So, ayan. This one is nice if you are into scents na may vibe ni... Sino yun? Wait lang. Ni Fireside Flurries. It's very Christmassy. This one is festive. Almost like a New Year's Eve scent. Kasi, yung scent na to, sabi daw dito, it has bourbon and dark fruit and liquor. Alam mo yung parang amoy celebration, ganun siya. And if you're familiar with Bath & Body Works Sweet Whiskey, may ganun siyang vibe. Like the bourbon scent, or yung parang amoy alak ng konti, ganyan. Medyo boozy yung scent na to. Pero hindi siya yung literal amoy alcohol. Parang may spirit. Alam niyo yung parang ganong amoy. Ayun. Si Sweet Whiskey, dagdagan mo siya ng parang lavender note ni Fireside Flurries. Magiging ito siya. Hindi siya foodie type of vanilla. Hindi siya yung parang bakery type, ganon. It's a type of vanilla that's warm and, ayun nga, festive. Yung like, parang talaga siyang si Sweet Whiskey. So, kung naamoy mo na yun, ganun yung amoy niya. Parang pinagsama lang siyang Sweet Whiskey and Fireside Flurries. Anyway, yung pangalan naman niya is Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. So, ma-expect natin na it's really a scent for like a nighttime, ganyan, party. So, if mahilig kayo sa ganong uri ng scent, eto, pwede nyo siya kunin. So, ayun, magkabalik na rin sila actually. Kasi si Fresh Vanilla Blossom, it's very feminine, it's soft, ganun yung amoy niya. While this one, it's deep and dark. So, kung alin dun yung vibe nyo, pwede nyo kunin either of the two. But, ako, feeling ko mas nagustuhan ko si Fresh Vanilla Blossom. Kasi, ewan ko, girly siya, like, nakakadalaga yung amoy niya. Pero still, magagamit ko pa rin naman to. Ang init, guys. Magagamit ko pa rin naman to kasi nga mahilig ako sa mga warm scents. So, ayun nga lang, I feel like medyo usual yung scent niya kasi nga ilang scents na from Bath & Body Works, yung may ganito. Actually, may hint din siya ni Bonfire Bash. So, kung na-imagine nyo na it's slightly smoky, ganun yung maaamoy mo sa kanya. May burnt scent din siya. Like, yun nga, smoky scent, smoky burnt scent. So, pero hindi in a bad way ha, hindi ko mag-aamoy usok. Kasi yung parang toasty or toasted marshmallow scent, ganun yung amoy ni Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. Ganong scent, yung gusto nyo, like, you want a scent for a celebration, like for Christmas or a New Year, ito yung masasuggest ko sa inyo. So, ayun yung review ko sa kanilang dalawa. But then, since it's already September, and lapit na ang Halloween, i-review na rin natin ito kasabay, etong tatlo na to. So, I don't know kung ano yung tawag sa collection na to, but it's the Halloween collection. Ayan. As I mentioned, ito yung kanilang pang Halloween. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga packaging nila. It's Midnight Spell. Ganitong packaging or ganitong uri ng itsura, guys. Yung mga scent na masarap i-collect. Like, if you're a collector, yung parang hindi na sila ulit ilalabas or hindi na ulit sila magpapakita or ng ganitong uri ng packaging. Like, para talaga silang mga pinag-isipan. Look at this. Ayan, this one is kind of parang maroonish and black yung cup. And this one naman is red. It's screaming twilight. Ayan, sobrang kaganda ng packaging nito, guys. Wala ako nitong full size kahit isa. Pero first time ko silang maamoy and this video will decide if I will be getting them in full size. So anyway, the first one that I have in here is this one. Okay, wait lang. This one is Midnight Spell. Actually, akala ko siya ay Victoria's Secret because yung pangalan niya is parang Victoria's Secret. Sura niya it's black. And then, ang notes nito are, sabi daw dito, it has mystic air, moonlit woods, and crystal amber. It smells like an enchanted walk in the woods. Last year, na-review ko rin yung anong tawag doon? Yung Halloween collection ni Bath & Body Works, the Enchanted Candy Potion. and then the Wicked Vanilla Wood, which I still have. Actually, nakakatawa si Wicked Vanilla Wood's na story kasi nabili ko siya in full size. And then, I decided to sell that nung nag-declutter ako kasi feeling ko, mabango siya pero hindi ko siya masyado nagagamit. So, nilet go ko siya, ibinenta ko siya. But then once, nakakita ako na nagbibenta sa kanya in pre-love. Like, yung may bawas na. Sabi ko, parang gusto ko talaga siya sa collection ko kasi maganda yung packaging niya. Binili ko ulit siya, guys. And then, binenta ko na naman siya. And then, one time, nakakita ko na nakabundle sa kanya kay Untamed, kay Love Spells, or hindi, kay Bare Vanilla Untamed. And then, binili ko na naman siya, guys. So, sa madaling salita, pangatlong Wicked Vanilla Woods ko na to. And hopefully, di ko na siya ibenta kasi maganda yung packaging niya. Anyway, alam niyo ba yung nag-comment sa akin, wag daw ako marami masyadong chika kasi iniintay daw nila yung reviews ng scent. I'm so sorry, guys. Ganito talaga ako. So, ayun. Anyway, so this Midnight Spell, amoy na natin siya kasi siguro naiinit na kayo. I'm so sorry. Sabi daw dito, it has woods, it has air, and amber. Okay. Amoy siya masculine type of scent. Bagay dun sa itsura niya, it's black. Itsura niya is parang perfume or body mist ng boys or guys. But yung scent na naaamoy ko dito, it's musky. It's a nighttime scent. It's not safe at all. Kung si Wicked Vanilla Woods for you is medyo musky na siya and unsafe bilhin, lalo na to, it's mas matindi yung pagiging woody niya. Maybe because of, ayun nga, may woody aspect siya and meron siyang amber pa. So, wala ko naamoy sa kanya, like, feminine vibe. It's nice, yes. Ganito yung mga uri ng scent na feeling ko and alam ko na magtatagal on my body. But hindi ko masyado ginagamit. Kasi nga, it's not me. Hindi siya, alam mo, hindi siya pang babae. Wala rin siya yung parang, alam mo yung parang gourmand aspect, ganun. It's straight up musky, woody scent. And sabi naman dito, it smells like an enchanted walk in the woods. So, makukuha mo talaga sa kanya yung woody aspect. Ganon yung amoy niya. Yes, mabango siya. Oo, if mahilig kayo sa mga scents na, alam mo yung Into the Night, In the Stars, ganon. Yung mga may perfume vibe. So, kung mamahalin yung mga scent na vibe nyo, feeling ko magugustuhan nyo to. Kasi, ito yung mga uri ng scent na gagawin as perfume. Yung walang masyadong nagpo-produce na hindi masyadong fresh or hindi masyadong fruity. So, ito si Midnight Spell. A nice scent if you are into woody scent. But for my preference, it's a 7/10. Though maganda yung packaging niya, I don't think I'm getting this in full size. Okay, moving on sa pangalawang Halloween scent. This is Vampire Blood. Red yung kanyang juice. So, I don't think mag-work siya sa mga white tops or clothes kasi karaniwan pag ganito yung ka-dark, nagmaman siya. So again, ito yung itsura niya. Maganda yung packaging niya, guys. Masarap siya sa collection. Kasi, look at this. It's red. And then yung juice niya itself is red. It's screaming vampire blood. Tapos meron siyang rose. Ganyan. Actually, ang dami ko na nasabi. And then, tumigil yung pagre-record. So, hindi ko alam kung hanggang saan yung napanood. But, ulitin ko na lang, guys, yung sinabi ko. Okay, si Vampire Blood, maganda yung packaging niya, yes. Feeling ko okay siya sa collection because, again, hindi ko alam kung narinig nyo na kanina or kung nasama sa record, it's red. And meron siyang ganyan, oh. Ayan. So, it looks bloody and then may rose dyan. It's screaming Twilight, like a vampire movie. Anyway, yung scent na meron to, it's berry, it's red berry, night blooming jasmine, and plum. A usual scent na maamoy natin, it's the straight up kabaligtaran ni Midnight Spell because Midnight Spell is musky, it's dark, and a masculine scent, like a mature type of scent. While this one is a young, girly scent. This will pass as an elementary or high schooler scent. Yung amoy niya is yung parang pangkaraniwan na naaamoy na natin. This is not new at all. Bath and Body Works, utang na loob. Hindi ako nakikipagbiruan. Sorry. It smells like sugar-coated. If you're familiar with the Canada exclusive, amoy din siya ni Enchanted Candy Potion, which was released last last Halloween, and now we have Vampire Blood that smells like that. Amoy siyang synthetic berry candy scent. Ganon yung amoy niya. Siguro kung mahilig kayo talaga sa fruity, like pambata na scent, magugustuhan nyo to. Or kung bata kayo, magugustuhan nyo to. But as for my preference na mahilig ako sa matamis, yes, and foodie, not the berry type of foodie. So, ayun nga, they are direct opposite. And now, let us have this one, the last straw of this collection, the Everlasting Magic. Okay. So, Everlasting Magic, ito yung packaging niya. It's cute din. It's kind of parang, anong kulay ito guys? Help. Ayan, parang maroonish. Not sure. And black yung kanyang cup. So, it has another berry scent. Bejeweled berries, phantom petals, and magic mask. Strolling through an enchanted garden on a starry night. So, si Everlasting Magic. Huh? Walang amoy. Amoy papel, joke. Okay. Ooh, wait lang. May potential siya, guys. Hindi siya yung... Kasi si Vampire Blood, pagka-amoy ko pa lang, ang sweet na niya. But this one... Ang galing, guys. Wait lang. Yung itsura kasi niya, it's kind of maroonish and black yung cup. Tapos, yung dalawa kanina na una is a plain black and then a red. And this one, yung itsura niya is nasa gitna ng dalawa, as well as the scent. This is the perfect balance of a musky yet sweet scent. Gets nyo ako? Kasi kanina, di ba, they are straight up opposite, yung dalawang nauna. And then, if they will have, like, a baby, eto yon. Kasi nga, yung scent nito, it has bejeweled berries, phantom petals, and magic mask. So, it's slightly musky, it's slightly floral, but then, the initial or the top note of this is a berry scent. So, matamis siya initially, but it will settle into a slightly powdery, musky scent that's safe and not masculine. Like, the perfect balance of a sweet scent and slightly floral, feminine. Ganun yung dry down niya. I like this. I feel like hindi siya, alam mo yung parang hindi siya masyadong Halloween, ganun.